I'm going to use a simple example on a proposal to explain the difference between napkin math, Farmgate, and what CropEdge currently calculates for Farmgate. So in this example, I have two corn products and one soybean product, and I'm going to walk through the way the waterfall works on napkin math. I've got some reference points on the right for early pay with the total discount for early pay and then broken down by corn and soy. And then I've got the gross total dollar values broken down by corn and soy for the ticket as well. But for this one, if you look at the corn, my list price for the first product is $275. I've got a very simple example here. So just a 5% retain offer, which is $13.75 off, no other discounts, which gives you your subtotal of $261.25 for that product. Now, when I take into consideration the 13% early pay, paying at the first cash period, that should be another $33.96 off, giving you a total farm gate for that product of $227.29. Similarly, for the next corn product, which starts at $325, I'm taking my 5% discount off of $16.25. Then I'm going down to my subtotal of $308, take off my 13% early pay, get $268.61. My soybean is straightforward. I've got just one soy product, which is listed at 65, minus my 325 Acura and my 803 early pay to get a 5372 farm gate. Now, when I look at the total crop level farm gate, I simply take the corn subtotal, which is 57,000, minus my corn early pay discount, and then divide that by the number of total corn units, 200. And I've got my full farm gate here for 247.95, and then my soy of 53.72. So that's what logically makes sense to calculate it on a napkin. Very easy writing it out. Now, the way that we actually have it programmed is the second example that I'll give. In this case, you can see that I've got my same example, 275, take off my Acura payment or my Acura discount of 1375, get my subtotal of 261.25. Now for early pay, since it's calculated at the total payment level, what we did is we took the total discount for early pay, which is 82.1275, proportioned it out for corn and soybeans, and then for corn in this example, divided it by the total number of units to get a even distribution of early pay, which in this case is 37.05 across all the units. So I've applied a 37.05 early pay discount to get 224.20. Same thing on the second product, standard 37.05 early pay discount to get 271.70. So you can see that because of the way that it's evenly proportioned, I have a slightly different early pay discount applied on the product level than what my napkin math would tell me. Now at the crop level, there's no change. It stays the same between either example. So the crop level is very easily explainable and very clean. But at the product level, since it's distributed evenly and the products didn't start off at the same price, it will look a little bit off from what you're expecting. The first product will look a little bit low. The second product will look a little bit high because of the way the early pay is applied. Now, if you don't want your customer to see that discrepancy, or you don't want them to see that the math at the line level not coming out, you simply check the hide line farm gate button on the proposal. And what that will do is it will hide all of the individual product level farm gates, and it'll just show you what the crop level is. So in this case, you see the 247.95 and the 53.72. We're in the process of working through a distribution that's more in line with what the napkin math shows, but I'm not implementing that until after the first early pay period, so sometime later next week.